Hello guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. Happy New Year. In today's video we are making OBIATTA aka Krain. OBIATTA is slightly different, but I'll explain why as we watch the video. This was really good. I choose OBIATTA any day than Krain, and I'll explain why too as we go through this video. So as you guys can see, I have everything here ready. I have my meats. I have meat and cow skin and pepper crab in there, and I have my seasonings. You can use any kind of seasonings. And here I have my ogiri, and I have my jumbo, and you guys know I cannot cook without my jumbo. And I have my Krain here. I have the frozen one. I'm using the frozen one actually, but I drain it out. I make sure I drain all the water out. And I have my palm oil here. You can get this kind of palm oil if you want a salon palm oil. I'm showing you guys now the best thing out there. I'm not sponsored. No, that palm oil, no. But I'm telling you guys, that palm oil is basically like salon palm oil. It's really good. So in here I have my beef, and I pour in my blend pepper and onions. And for OBIATTA, this is what I was gonna explain. For OBIATTA, you have to like have a lot of onions to blend on the side to put inside of the pots. It's going to make it taste better, and it did. I promise you guys. Try. If you never make your OBIATTA this way, this is the best way. A lot of onions, and then you mix it, and now you put in your palm oil inside. This is the best palm oil out there for salon palm oil. You don't have salon palm oil, use this one. So now I'm putting in all my seasonings inside. You can add any kind of seasonings that you want or that you like, that you choose. I'm using these. These are my favorite seasonings, favorites of all. And now I'm putting in my ogiri. I put all 3 of the ogiri inside. And it depends on how you're cooking too. You can put less or more. It depends on the pots of size you are making. But this is my own pot of size, and Krain need ogiri. Yeah, so I'm putting 3 ogiri inside. So now I'm putting in my chicken bouillon inside. Again, it depends on the size of pot you're cooking, so put less or more if you want to. As you guys can see now, it's boiling. And now I'm going to add in my kidney fish. If you do not want to add kidney fish, that's okay. You don't need to. But if you want to, you can add some kidney fish in there too. I love fish in all of my pastas or soup. I love my fish. So yeah. So how you guys' New Year been going? Mine been going okay, good, great. Thank God for life. Cannot complain. Yeah, but how about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. So now we are mixing. We are going to leave this for like about 15 minutes on a low heat so it can just dry down. And we are cooking now the Krain. I put some water and baking soda. So I'm sorry if I got it wrong. I know it's baking soda, but yes, I put it inside the pot, and now I'm putting in my seasoning. If you don't want to put seasoning, you can just add some salt. That's fine. I'm putting some chicken bouillon inside and some salt. So yeah. And I'm going to leave it to boil before we add the Krain inside. We are not going to let the Krain cook for too much. No. We are going to let the Krain cook for like about 15 minutes on a high heat, 5 minutes on a low heat for like about 20 minutes. Not too much. Yeah. And make sure to always use a wooden spoon for when you're always cooking slimy food, because it's help the food not to cut down. It will still be slimy. So that's a tip for you today. So now, guys, we are about to dish it. We are dishing it, actually, not about to. We are dishing it. You can put the crinkling first or the sauce second, or you can do like I'm doing, the sauce first and the crinkling second. It's your choice. I do it this way because I choose to. But yeah, guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so right now. If you have not shared my video, like, comments on my video, please do so right now. Even if it's just a hello on the comments, that's fine. I'm okay with it. Do so right now. Let's be friends, okay? And this is how my soup was and my food was. Look how good that is. Look how good that is. And that's how you mix it to eat it. This was so good. This was so good. 100 out of 10. 100 out of 100. I don't know how to say it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until later. Bye-bye.